Welcome! In front of me I have SKAGEN Falster Gen 6 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Wear OS application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Wear OS app on the phone that is paired with our watch. And once you open the app, you should see the Falster Gen 6 in the app, basically the page for it right here. And as you can see, we have a warning message that says if you want to use the notifications, we need to allow certain permissions. So if you see this message, tap on the turn on watch notifications and tap on allow. And sometimes you will need to allow more permissions for it to work. After you allow the permissions, you can close the app and reopen it. And once you reopen it, and there will be no messages left, like here, that means that the permissions are allowed and notifications should be working. So now we can scroll down, tap on notifications, and then we can tap on change watch notifications, and here we have the list of applications for which we can enable and disable the notifications. Basically how it works is, if you enable notifications, let's say for Discord, you enable them and you receive the notification from Discord on your phone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch. But if you disable the notifications for Discord and you receive the notification on Discord from your phone, or rather on your phone, that notification won't be forwarded. So if you don't want to see notifications from certain apps on your watch, you can simply disable them right here. And if you want to see them, you can enable them right here. And once you're done, you can close the app and you should be able to receive the notifications. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. As you can see, we got the notification on our phone and also on our watch. Then you can mark as read, reply, and if you miss the notification, you can swipe up on the screen to open the notification menu and see it. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.